Welcome to History Love, where we explore the stories, people, and events that shaped our world. Let's dive into the past and uncover history's most fascinating moments.
The burrito.
That warm, comforting, all-in-one food package that wraps up happiness in a tortilla. Ever wondered how this masterpiece of convenience came to be? Who was the genius who first thought, hey, what if I rolled up all my favorite foods into a neat little bundle I can eat with one hand while dodging life's responsibilities? Well, buckle up, because the burrito's history is as rich and flavorful as its fillings. Ancient rap stars, burritos' humble beginnings. Our burrito journey starts way back, like, we haven't even invented pants yet, back. Around 10,000 BC, Mesoamerican civilizations in what is now Mexico were already onto something big. They used corn tortillas to wrap food, creating an early version of the modern burrito. No drive-thrus, no extra guac charges, just good old-fashioned handheld meals. Fast forward a few thousand years, give or take, and in 1895, the first mention of something resembling a burrito appeared in Felix Ramos y Duarte's book Diccionario de Mexicanismos. He described it as a rolled tortilla stuffed with meat and other goodies. But here's the kicker, was he talking about a taco or a burrito? The debate rages on, and we may never know. One thing's for sure, the burrito wasn't ready for its big break just yet. Burrito, a name with a tail or ears. Now, let's talk about the name burrito, which means little donkey in Spanish.
Cute, right?
But why name a delicious food after a four-legged beast of burden? Well, that's where things get fun. One tale credits Juan Mendez, a taco vendor in Ciudad Juarez during the Mexican Revolution, 1910 to 1920. This guy supposedly had a light bulb moment. He started using large flour tortillas to wrap food and keep it warm while delivering it, on his donkey. People started calling it burrito food, and boom, history was made. Another, less donkey-centric, theory claims an unnamed street vendor in the 1940s sold burritos to schoolchildren, affectionately calling them burritos, which was slang for slow or dim-witted. Not the nicest origin story, but hey, the burrito persevered. Then there's the Sonora theory, which suggests burritos were designed as a convenient travel food for long journeys, often taken on donkeys. Gustavo Arellano, the burrito expert extraordinaire, swears by this one. And given that Sonora is a wheat-growing region, flour tortillas, anyone. It makes a lot of sense. The burrito glow up, from humble roll to superstar. Back in Mexico, burritos remained small and simple, with just one or two fillings like meat, beans, or cheese. Then, like many great things, jazz, superheroes, bad reality TV, burritos made their way to the United States. Between the 1940s and 1960s, Mexican migrant workers brought burritos across the border, and Americans, being the enthusiastic eaters they are, said, yes, but bigger. Enter the Mission-style burrito. In 1961, a grocery store in San Francisco's Mission District, El Faro, decided to take the burrito to the next level. Owner Fabronio Ontiveros thought, why stop at just beans and meat?
Let's add rice, and guacamole, and sour cream. And while we're at it, let's make it huge.
And thus, the modern burrito behemoth was born.
Modern burrito culture.
Today, burritos have emerged as more than just a delicious street food staple. They have become icons of innovation, adapting to new flavors, styles, and trends while maintaining their core appeal. Let's dive into the realm of modern burrito culture, where traditional recipes intertwine with modern influences.
The rise of burrito joints.
Over the years, a new wave of eateries specializing in burritos has made its way across cities, giving birth to what Americans refer to as burrito joints. With customizable fillings, sauces, and toppings, burrito joints allow individuals to create their own personalized burrito, catering to different tastes and diets. Social media and food trends. The rise of social media has also played a role in shaping modern burrito culture. Food bloggers, influencers, and passionate food enthusiasts share photos and rave reviews of their favorite burritos, fueling curiosity and inspiring others to seek out new taste experiences.
Burritos on the go.
The portability of burritos has always been one of their defining features, making them ideal for busy individuals seeking a quick and satisfying meal on the go. In our fast-paced world, burritos have become a go-to choice for those who crave convenience without compromising on taste. They are the perfect companion for lunch breaks, picnics, road trips, or simply to enjoy in the park. Burritos in Sheffield, from Richard Golland. We wanted to find a healthy fast food option. We looked at porridge bars, salad bars, and eventually decided on burritos as my father lived in Toronto, Canada, and this is where he said that burritos are the thing. So we joined the continental market to research our burritos and develop our recipes before we moved into our first unit in Sheffield. We carried on doing events in and around Sheffield to publicize our new shop and grew from 1 shop to 4 within a few years. We then realized having 4 shops was not what we wanted, so we decided to cut the cloth accordingly and focus on 2. One at Shire Vale and one at Arundel Street. Our main focus is the food and building the best burritos we can. I like to call our food Chef Mex as all our food is made on site with no artificial additives, numbers, emulsifiers, sugars, with local farmers produce. I like to think we joined the burrito revolution on the crest of a Mexican wave.
Conclusion.
The history and culture of burritos offer a fascinating glimpse into the journey of this beloved dish. From its humble beginnings as an on-the-go meal in Mexico to its global popularity today, burritos have crossed many borders, adapting and evolving to suit the diverse tastes and preferences of people around the world. Burritos have become more than just a food, they symbolize the power of heritage and exchange. Whether enjoyed in a bustling Mexican street market, a trendy burrito canteen, or in the comfort of our own homes, burritos connect us to a wider world of flavors and traditions. So the next time you unwrap a street food chef burrito, take a moment to appreciate the layers of history, culture, and passion that have shaped this culinary icon. Let the flavors transport you to the vibrant streets of Mexico, California, and Texas, and finally back to Sheffield. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. If you love this story, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to History Love. Together, let's keep the love for history alive. See you in the next chapter.